This is the Rev-A-Shelf double pull-out trash can for the kitchen cabinets. Now, I want to explain something to you because if you don't already have a drawer that pulls out like this, it's easy to make it into one. See, I took out the handle, I filled it with a little white putty, and I added this handle. Super easy to do. Now, when I purchased this Rev-A-Shelf trash bin wire, I installed it myself. It took me about 30 minutes just because I wanted to make sure it was perfect. But this was very easy to install. If I can do it, believe me, anyone can install this, okay? You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to put 4 screws on these rails on the bottom of your cabinet there. I'll get in close so you can see. And that's what's basically holding it, okay? Now you're going to attach the door with a couple more Phillips head screws. This thing has never rusted. It never creaks. It glides smoothly. It's never been stuck or, it just simply glides. We've been in our home and have used this now for about 5 years. So we recommend this. This was a very nice brand. Rev-A-Shelf is very nice quality. We recommend it. We didn't want to have the trash bins out in the kitchen and have it look messy. So we wanted to be able to discreetly hide it in a cabinet just like this. This was the perfect addition to our kitchen and we don't know what we would do without it. I absolutely love this feature. And if you're on the fence about it, try it. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it, I promise.